Well, the first thing we're going to do is take these sides off, see how good these wood planks are on our bed, and then gut the interior, because we're going to use the interior from the other dump truck. It's in much better shape. The seat is just freaking disgusting, and all this other stuff is kind of screwed. So we got a nice red interior we're going to put in. Well, let's look at these doors first. They are just...
Now this one, sure, you got a little...
Oh, yeah, you know.
Okay, fine, sure.
But guess what? Fluid film. We don't undercoat here.
Factory paint on the frame.
Yeah, I mean, that's just factory stickers. I mean, geez, come on. Cab is just immaculate. That is what I'm talking about.
That's what I'm talking about.
One wheel holding this truck.
Yep.
Now, of course, Nimrod, when he was dragging this thing around, he bent the rear part of the drive shaft, so we got that at a machine shop now, getting redone. But, yeah, I mean, even this dump bed, I mean, geez, it's fine. You can see the bottom of the boards there, they look better on this side. Nice, buddy.
Still on there.
Well, we got her stripped right down here. Started with the bed, got the sides off. That was a pain in the ass, but we did get it. There's a little bit of rust here on the sides from these boards and dirt and shit sitting here. I think next we're gonna be servicing the transmission, just getting some new fluid in it since it's easy to get to. The motor's actually over here. Someone, I don't know if I mentioned this before, but the guy that owned this truck, it was actually a junkyard. So there was some parts already off of it. This whole intake was off. But we got a hold of the guy that owned this truck, and he assures us that this is a good motor.
Oh yeah, it's a great motor, he says.
Yeah, he had a crappy, rusty piece of metal sitting over it, and he assured us that there wouldn't be water in it. But anyways, this will be good for something, good for parts. The lower control arms were missing in this truck. Someone took them for parts, so we took the upper ones off along with the hubs, and we're gonna do new ball joints. Got a clean cab, ready for fluid fill. Interior door trim is in. And the visors and the little thing up top there.
So we got the seat in and the dash in. I don't think we showed the dash getting put in.
No. Just gotta tidy up the wiring for the cluster and screw a couple more things on, and it should be all set. Then we're gonna fluid film the floors, tidy up some wires, and throw some mats down, and she's gonna look good.
Yeah, we got some dash pieces still to put on.
And it's pretty much motor and front end work.
Yeah, then this is the next project.
Yeah, we gotta fill up that gap.
She's pretty empty all around here.
Oh, this is beautiful. Alright. That should be high. Let's keep. Yeah, this is very heavy. What can I set it on? Are you okay for that? I got it okay for here. The next set down is gonna have to be on the oil thing. So I'm gonna overshoot that because I know it's not this way you got. I think we'll be alright. We'll go with it. Ready? Inject. Hold on. Is that the oil pan? That is the oil.
Yeah.
Is it though?
Yes.
The back of it though? Yeah. Hit the plug? No. It's okay. It's okay.
Be careful.
You gotta watch this. But you just gotta watch it. Just don't push it too hard. Oh, baby freaking steps. Yeah, this is slow. Good. good. Sit down.
Hang on. You gotta go towards Lubas. And I gotta go up this fucking transmission. Okay. Now, my way more. Again, keep coming.
We got a hole for your boot.
Nothing, man. Just easy.
Yeah, just boot.
Alright, hold on. Here. I know. What am I hitting on?
The jack.
Start a little bit. Hang on, Bill.
I'm gonna get this jack in here soon, but I think you can come back some more.
I think we should get the jacket now.
Yeah, it's like in your
I don't
lap.
want it
I did not think about it. Well, from here it looks bad.
Yeah, I don't even want to put that in the video.
to. I will put
It looks scary.
No, this is precision. Come on. Come on.
Yes.
Oh, nice. Now we're being pros.
It was just that mid part.
All right, don't go up too much.
Okay.
Is that transmission?
We'll come back.
You better go down a little bit.
I think you gotta go towards Lubas. Like with the whole
Towards the house.
again.
I know, but I can't really get to the front. So I think maybe if you could get your way on it.
Shitty 2x4.
It's in. We got the friggin' motor in. Ha! Ah! Ha ha! My God! That's what I'm talking about! Holy crap. Motor's in. Woo! Alright. Let's get this stupid, ugly. Yeah, we don't need this crap anymore. Cole, come pick up. Cole, we're trying to pump some shitty fuel through the line.
You should stop a little bit. You burn the starter out.
It's a manual blinker. Here. Gas pedal's a little sticky. We're gonna have to figure that one out. The no dumper.
We're gonna go buy the old one here.
Unbelievable. Unfreaking believable. Gas pedal's a little sticky. We need the new cable. See if it makes that noise though. Ugh, that's gonna bug me. Oh, it fell out.
What fell out?
Popped out of the cable popped out of the pedal. God damn it. Brakes, holy crap. Good brakes? Very good brakes. Okay. Cab light leakage. Well, we lost a little bit of footage, but here's the finished product. I believe the last video, the last clip there, we were actually driving this down the road before the front was all finished up and the gas pedal popped out. So we got that fixed. We fixed that cable up and tidied up the front grille. We had a problem with the lights actually turning on. It had a bad ground
Pop the hood. You can see she's looking pretty good in here. So we have a very temporary, permanent ground wire run to the headlights, and that seemed to fix that problem for now, and seemed to give it an inspection. She's running pretty good. There's gonna be some more videos of this though, because there'll be a few other little things we do to this, but she is running and driving and ready to go.
Oh, you're not gonna drive it?
Can't. It's kind of stuck in the PTO stuff.